Imagine pulling a phone out of your pocket and instantly feeling like you're holding something completely different from every other smartphone out there. Not because it has a crazy camera bump or some weird foldable gimmick, but because the design feels bold, aggressive, and surprisingly premium in a way you usually don't expect from this brand. Today we're talking about the Tecno Pova Metal Tonino Lamborghini Edition, a phone that mixes Italian luxury design with a gaming-focused smartphone, and honestly, the result is pretty fascinating. It's flashy, it's futuristic, and it's one of the most unique devices Tecno has ever shown. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything about it, from the design to the hardware and the special Lamborghini-inspired elements that make this phone stand out. But before we dive deeper, if you enjoy tech videos like this and want more smartphone reviews and hands-on content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a like because it really helps the channel grow and keeps more videos like this coming. So first things first, let's talk about the design because that's clearly the main attraction here. The moment you look at this phone, you immediately realize Tecno wasn't trying to make something subtle. The red version especially is absolutely striking. It has this vibrant, aggressive color that instantly reminds you of high-performance Italian design. The back panel has a futuristic pattern with sharp lines and mechanical-looking textures that give it a very gaming-focused vibe. But what makes this device even more interesting is that Tecno actually went with a full metal unibody construction. And that's something we almost never see anymore in modern smartphones. Most phones today use the glass sandwich design with glass on the front and back and metal rails around the sides. Tecno basically flipped that idea and created a solid metal body, which makes the phone feel extremely durable and premium in the hand. When you hold it, the phone has a nice weight to it. It feels dense and sturdy, but still comfortable thanks to the subtle curves around the edges. That slight curvature makes it sit naturally in your palm instead of feeling sharp or boxy. And honestly, it's refreshing to see something different in a market where so many phones look exactly the same. But the design doesn't stop at the metal body. The camera island itself is also very unique. Instead of the typical round or square camera module, Tecno created this triangular camera bump that looks almost like a mechanical component from sports car. It adds to that aggressive aesthetic and makes the phone instantly recognizable from a distance. Right in the center of the back panel, you'll notice something even more interesting. There's a vertical pulse light strip running down the phone. This LED strip isn't just there for looks. It lights up with different animations and effects depending on notifications or system actions. Think of it almost like a futuristic notification system similar to what we've seen on some experimental phones before. And then there's another hidden detail that tech fans are definitely going to appreciate. Inside the camera island, there's actually a small LED matrix display made up of over 200 individual LEDs. This tiny display can show notifications, custom visuals, and animated patterns. It's a bit like those experimental notification lights we've seen on some modern phones recently, but Tecno added its own twist with customizable animations. Now let's talk about what's powering this thing. Tecno confirmed that the device runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, although the exact model hasn't been fully revealed yet. But considering the Pova lineup is usually aimed at gaming and high-performance usage, it's safe to assume this phone is designed to handle heavy tasks like gaming, multitasking, and media consumption without breaking a sweat. On the software side, the phone runs iOS 16 based on Android 16. But since this is the Lamborghini edition, Tecno also added a special custom theme that changes the entire visual experience of the phone. The icons, wallpapers, and interface elements all reflect that luxury automotive design language with bold colors and mechanical-inspired graphics. It basically transforms the phone into something that feels more like a collectible device than just another smartphone. And honestly, that's the entire idea behind this collaboration. Tecno partnered with Tonino Lamborghini, which is a luxury lifestyle brand founded by the son of the legendary Lamborghini founder. While it's not directly connected to the Lamborghini car company, the design language clearly takes inspiration from the same world of performance, speed, and Italian craftsmanship. You can see that influence everywhere in the phone's design. The sharp geometric lines, the bold color palette, the LED lighting elements, and even the typography used in the interface all reflect that high-performance luxury aesthetic. What I also find interesting is that this phone is part of a bigger ecosystem that Tecno is building around this collaboration. Alongside the phone, they're also introducing other products like laptops, tablets, and accessories with the same Lamborghini-inspired design theme. So this isn't just a one-off special edition device. It's actually the start of a larger premium product lineup. Now, obviously, there are still some details we don't know yet. Tecno hasn't officially revealed the full specifications, pricing, or availability for this device. But based on the design alone, it's clear that this phone is meant to make a statement. It's not trying to be subtle or minimalistic. Instead, it's leaning heavily into that bold, futuristic style. And honestly, that's kind of refreshing in today's smartphone market. So many devices are starting to look identical. Flat glass backs, minimal camera bumps, and safe neutral colors. This phone does the opposite. It embraces personality and visual identity in a way that really stands out. But I'm curious what you think about it. Do you prefer this kind of bold, futuristic design, or do you like the more clean, minimal style that most flagship phones are using right now? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we've got a lot more smartphone reviews and hands-on tech videos coming soon. At the end of the day, the Tecno Pova Metal Tonino Lamborghini edition feels like Tecno experimenting with a new direction. A mix of luxury-inspired aesthetics, gaming-style design, and futuristic lighting elements all packed into a metal unibody phone that already stands out from the crowd. If Tecno manages to combine this design with strong performance and competitive pricing, this could actually become one of the most interesting special edition phones we've seen this year. But that's everything we know so far about the Tecno Pova Metal Tonino Lamborghini edition. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dive smartphone content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because it really helps support the channel and lets me know you want more videos just like this.